In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new iCloud email address. If you want a clean, simple @iCloud.com address you can use across your Apple devices, this walkthrough will get you set up in just a couple of minutes. Before we begin, you'll need an Apple ID. That's the account you already use to sign into your iPhone or iPad. If you don't have one yet, create an Apple ID first, using a device or a web browser, then come back to these steps. Ready? On your iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app. At the very top, tap your name to enter your Apple ID settings. Next, tap iCloud. In the iCloud section, find Mail or iCloud Mail and turn it on. If you don't already have an iCloud email, you'll immediately see an option that says Create Email Address. Tap that and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be asked to choose the name that appears before @iCloud.com. Think about something you're comfortable using long-term. Many people pick a version of their name, initials, or a simple handle. If the name you want is taken, try small tweaks like adding a middle initial or a short number. Keep it memorable and professional if you plan to use it for important messages. When you've picked a unique address, confirm it and tap Done. That's all there is to it. Your new iCloud email address is now active and automatically added to the built-in Mail app. Open the Mail app and you'll see an inbox for iCloud ready to send and receive messages. Because it's tied to your Apple ID, it will also be available on your other Apple devices when you're signed in with the same account. A couple of quick notes to keep things clear. If you don't see the Create Email Address option, it likely means an iCloud email address is already associated with your Apple ID. Apple allows only one primary @iCloud.com email per account, so you can't create a second primary address under the same Apple ID. Also, make sure you have a reliable internet connection while turning on iCloud Mail so the setup completes without interruptions. That's it. Simple, fast, and built right into your device. To recap, you opened Settings, went to your Apple ID, tapped iCloud, turned on Mail, created your @iCloud.com name, and tapped Done. Your new mailbox is ready for everyday use, synced securely through iCloud.